A credit freeze stops new lenders from pulling your credit report unless you temporarily lift it, which blocks most new credit accounts from being opened in your name. It does not affect your existing credit cards, loans, or your credit score while the freeze is active. By the end of this, you'll know how to place a freeze on Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, how to lift it when you actually need credit, and what mistakes cause people to think the freeze is not working. First thing to understand is that you have to freeze each bureau separately. There is no single button that freezes all three at once, so you need to go through each company individually. Start with Equifax. Go to their official security freeze page, create an account or verify your identity, and submit a freeze request. Once completed, you'll get confirmation that your report is locked for new credit inquiries. Next is Experian. The process is similar. You log into their freeze center, verify your identity, and place the freeze. They may ask for personal details like your social security number and address history to confirm it is really you. Then you repeat the same process with TransUnion. Each bureau operates separately, so the freeze must be applied 3 times to fully lock down your credit file. Once all 3 are frozen, lenders cannot access your credit report for new applications. That means if someone tries to open a credit card or loan using your identity, the application usually gets blocked automatically because the report cannot be pulled. If you need to apply for credit later, you do not remove the freeze permanently. You temporarily lift it using the same bureau portals. You can lift it for a specific time period, or for a specific lender depending on the option you choose. One common mistake is thinking a credit freeze stops fraud completely. It does not stop existing accounts from being used, so you still need to monitor your bank and credit card activity regularly. Another detail people miss is that a freeze does not lower your credit score or show up as a negative mark. It is simply a restriction on access to your credit file. To summarize, freezing your credit requires setting up protection separately with all 3 bureaus. It blocks new credit applications from being processed, and it can be lifted anytime when you need to apply for loans or cards. A practical next step is to start with 1 bureau today and complete all 3 freezes so your credit file is fully protected before any new applications happen. Subscribe for more clear, step-by-step breakdowns on protecting and fixing your credit without confusion.